Okay, guys, today I'm going to little bit describe about folder redirection, right? Redirections. So, what is actually folder redirections and why most of the organizations use these options, this method. So what is actually folder redirection actually? So for that, let's see here. I wrote some things here for folder redirection. Folder redirection is a feature in Microsoft Windows that allow administrator to redirect the path of well-known folders. Well-known folders are such as desktop, documents, pictures, right? Anything. So you can see that folders here, right? Suppose I will show you here some folders here right now. Let's go here. See here. This is a one. This one is desktop, downloads, documents, picture, music, video. These are our folders, right? So these folders, you know, uh, sometime what happened. So the clients, the users in our organization, so they are saving, save the files on desktop, right? Sometime desktop. So that desktop, files, if they didn't save and are supposed to save, okay, but they want to uh, access that file from a different computer. Suppose user one, this my marketing user one, user using this computer yesterday, and tomorrow he want to use this computer and he want same data, same files, everything in here. So what should we do? For that, this folder redirection is very important, because what happened here, see, I will just explain here, right? So when this user save one file here in this computer, and that goes to save in this primary server. I mean we will create the one folder here, just suppose marketing folder, right? So we create this folder, and this user, whenever he save or create anything in that folders, I mean in his computers, that automatically redirect and save in this marketing folder, right? So suppose tomorrow he use this computer and he wants a same file or folder from this computer. So in that case, he can pull from the server. So what is why we need this? I mean why we do folder redirection? The reasons are here. The feature is commonly used organization environment through GPO, right? For following reasons. One is data management and centralization. Everything. The data are all one folder, right? That's centralizations. So he can pull from his data from any computer, which is connect with the domain, right? So second is roaming user profile. Third is disk space management. So you don't have to use a lot of disks, right? You have to save here and here. In that case, you are using both sides. But if that is in saving in one folder, so in that case, so we can save the disks also, right? And the next is in data security and backup. So you can save your file in one place where is server. So in that case, server is always secure, right? So in that case, you can save your data in securely, and you can back up that data anytime and from anywhere, right? And other is compliance and regulatory requirements. So this is five reasons. So we are using folder and these folder redirections. So we will see this in our practical also. Let's see to do the practical. Okay. So what do we do? So in our practical, so we will, create the one folder in server, right? In main server, marketing folder. So where all the marketing groups and the under the marketing groups, all the users, whatever they save in his desktop and documents or pictures anywhere, whatever they save, that goes to save inside this marketing folder. Okay, let's see that part. Okay, so this is our PDC server, right? So here you can see these are Active Directory and computers, right? So here I have a marketing department, sales department, and HR department. We are going to do in for the marketing department. Okay, so here this is a one group. All these five here is a five clients, right? I mean like users. So we create for the in that groups. So this groups, see here, this groups is member of these five clients, I mean like users, right? And these are like a domain, and I just add this one. This doesn't matter. So I'm, because why I'm doing this one, because every users, if you create the for separate folder in there, so that's not good, right? So that's why we have to go create the one for the one department for one group. So if you apply this GPO, I mean that folder redirection GPO in this marketing group, so that will apply for the whole users, right? So that's why I'm just creating for the one folder for this group. Okay, so let's see. Now I'm going to create the one folder, share folder. For that, you have to click the file and storage services here, right? Then you have to click the share and click the tags, new share, and just go for the quick tags here, just quick, right? And here you have your share server name PDC, right? And this is our PDC server, right? Is a primary DC, and we have just one drive. That's why we have to create our that share folder inside the C. So for that I have to go here and then just browse and select the C drive and click new folder. I will give the name of folder is marketing data 1. Okay, so like this, marketing data is 1. Select this one and see here is this one is that name, right? So just click next, and here I just want to keep copy and paste like this here. It's anything you can put. Just select this one and copy this one. You see here, this is important. Okay, this is a remote path and path to share. So that's a PDC marketing data is 1, right? Just next. Now here, so enable access based enumeration. So because when we do this one, only the that users can share or see that folder. Otherwise, they cannot see that folder. So that's why you have to just check this one and just next. Okay. Now here you have to do permission to access, right? So for that, customize the permission here. Now go here and then this one you have to delete this users, because we have to choose the a specific user, right? For marketing only. So that's why, so I can delete this one right now here. See, I can. So that's why, because of this is a we have to do like a disable like indentation. So that's why I click this one and convert indentation permission into exploit permission on this subject. Okay, and then now you can try to delete this one. See, delete, right? Select and delete. Okay, now, and you can add that we have to add that folder or like that groups. Add, right? Select the principal and put here name marketing. Select, check their name, and just click the group this one. See here, this is a marketing group. Don't choose like this one, because these users are already inside this marketing group. Okay, that's why I'm choosing this one. Okay, and okay, right? Now click show advanced permission and just click this create folder append data. You can create the folder and append the data also. That's why I'm just choosing this one and just click OK. Now you have to go to apply here. Okay. Now this one is permission is like this, set everything. Now click next. Now everything is confirm here. Confirm this following are the correct setting. Okay, everything is good. Just create. See, this one is create, right? SMB share and SMB permission complete. Just close this one. Now go to your folder here, C drive. You can see marketing data 1, this folder, right? Now guys, let's start to configure the GPU. Okay, so because we already create the share folder here, right? So whatever I said before, so these marketing groups, all the clients, there is a 5 clients I have, right? I just wrote here like a 2 clients, right? I mean 2 users. So everything they whatever they create here, they their files, that all goes marketing folders, I mean the marketing datas, right? That folders, so that is inside the a PDC. That's why I'm just showing you this one, this things, so which clear to you, right? So let's go to our server here. Now I'm going to back here and then go to tool here, right? And then let's go to group policy here, right now. And then after that, let's create the group policy for marketing, right? Because we are going to do this marketing, right? So right click here and create a group policy, right? And the name of the group policy is folder redirection, RD, right? Folder redirection. Okay, so here this folder is here, right? Folder redirection, GPO is here. So I'm going to right click this one and edit. Okay, now see here. So we are going to do for the in user. So that's why I'm going to policy, user policy, and that goes to here, Windows. Under the Windows setting, we have a folder redirections. So under here, so you can see the in all the group policy here, right? See here. So now what I do here, we have to create, we have to setting here for the desktop, and you can do for the all the folders here, right? I'm going to do for because I'm going to do for the desktop and documents, right? Because most of the users, they save their documents inside yeah, on the desktop, or sometime inside these uh, documents, right? That's why we are going to do this too. Okay, select this one, right click, and go to properties here, right? And then here setting, not configure anything, so that's why click here and just basic redirection every one folder to the same 4 locations, right? Click this one, and here you have to choose create a folder for each user under the root path. Click this one, and path here, so that path, our marketing data's path. If you don't know about that, or you forgot to copy that path, so you have to go here, and this is our folder, right, which is we already share. Right click this one, properties, share, and here is a network path. See here, just copy this one, right? I'm going to here and just paste here. See, so this is our root path right now, right? Now apply, and you just go for yes here, and setting here, so you can set one policy here. So see here, policy removal, this is okay, no problem. And here leave the folder in the new location when policy is removed. But if you want to like change the that policy here, you can choose this one. Redirect the folder back to the local user profile location when policy is removed. If this policy, this folder redirection policy is removed from here, the folders locations folder back to the local user profile. So that's why I am going to choose this one. If you want to like leave this one, you can go for this one. Okay, I just go for this one. If I like delete this one, so everything goes like in locally. Okay, that's why I'm doing that. Apply. Yes. Okay, so this one is done. I'm going to do one more thing here for the documentation documents. So properties, and here same thing, right? I'm going to do a little bit faster here right now. Create this one. Folder path is same, right? Just go here and I'm just pasting here. Okay, apply. Yes. Okay, now everything is good, right? Just close this one. This one is we apply already, so this one is also here also. Okay, because when you create your policy, the group policy object also create the one same like policy. Okay, so it's a normal thing. Just refresh here. I'm going to close this one now. So we done our policy create in our server. I have to go to like our client. Now I'm going to in our client, right? So client section is suppose here is a one client. Okay, this is sales. I'm going to add for the, let's see like a name for us. Okay, so I'm a little bit confused here. Here marketing. Okay, marketing, what's the name here? Marketing. Let me do first. This one is easy one right now. This is a login m user one. Okay, m user one. And what about this one, m user two? I put the same thing, maybe accounts m user two. Okay, let's see for the two both users. And I'm going to use this one, and others m dot user one password here. Let's see. Okay, we are in a client in a computer right now, right? But before that, what I have to do, I have to in PDC here, just I want to close this one. Okay, and put this one down, and CMD, I'm going to update this one, GP update force, because of we create the like a policy. After create the policy, you have to do this GP update, otherwise this one is doesn't apply. Okay, so I'm going to apply this one right now here. This is complete successfully right now. So I'm going to down this one, and then this is our Windows 1, and this is our let me see here, this is our marketing user one right here. So let's see. So when I click the this uh, folder, right, file folder, file explorer, so you can see here two folder. See here, desktop and documents has like this green this refresh types of bottom, right? This one, see, that means our policy is successfully applied. So let's see, we have to do group policy CMD, right? And we have to force our group policy here also, GP update and force here for RC force. Yeah, just enter. It will give you like this one is apply, right? So it says apply. So this should be like asks us like log off and I restart. Okay, after that this one is properly like policy is log apply. So just press Y and enter. This will restart, right? And marketing user one, I'm just locking this one now again. Now, so let's see here one more time. Right click, properties. So this is a location, is that our location, right, already. So let's see our PDC here. Is that user is already name on here or not inside here? See, user one. See, desktop and documents, right? Both are come here. So what I want to do, I want to go here again, this user, right? Close. I want to create one, one text documents here, right? Test document one. Okay, I create this one here. I just write this is test doc. Okay, just file, save. So when we create this file or text document here, this should be go to save in our PDC also, right? Okay, so what happened here, I go here to C drive, right? Our C drive here and the marketing database one. So I just want to check here, right? This one. So I'm in right now I'm as a administrator also, right? I don't have that permission because see this is our server, right? This server is only use this server is only use this group, only you use the one part of the space here. That means this administrator also doesn't have that rights here, right? So only this user and this user. If I add that I add the permission for that administrator also, so in that case this administrator can open this folder. Let me see here, I will show you. Okay, suppose I'm administrator, right? See, I'm in a primary administrator. Then when I double click this one, it asks me you don't have a permission to access the folder because I didn't add the name on that folder, right? Because only we giving the permission for only marketing group. That's why I don't have a permission. But if I add the permission to these folders, right? So let's see what have happened. What will happen, right? Just right click here, properties, security, advanced, and go to change here, right? Owner, change, and then add here administ admini okay, administrator here. Just select this one. Okay, so see I add the administrator here, right? Just click OK. Now replace owner on the sub container and the object. Okay, click this one, apply, yes, okay, okay, right? Okay, now when I click this one, double click, this can open. Suppose here also, this one also you can do same thing. Go here, security, and you can add that. Now this one is adding. So if I go here right now again, one security, you can add here. See, same thing, right? Now you can double click here. See, this one is, you can open that like this. So because I didn't add before that, the owner, because I only give the for the group 5, right? Marketing group 5 groups, marketing groups only. So that's why they can see that, but I couldn't do that, right? So that's why I cannot open that. Okay, so let's see that group. Okay, this person is marketing user one group, right? So that's why let me see here. If I type here PDC, that's folder name, and marketing, right? Marketing data, this one, right? Let me see here. If I want to this data, this one is there or not, I want to make sure that. Double click, see, this one is a desktop and documents, right? Double click here, see, this one is here. So if this one, suppose if I click this delete here, see, this one is delete here too, right? So undo one more time, right here. See, this one is come. So that means this one and this one is same. If you delete here, that means delete from here too. I mean, like in a server. See, because this is a PD server, right? So when I create one more folder here, test folder, that is here too. So that means these two are like a synchronized right now. Same, right? So let me check the like another user. Okay, so just close this one. I'm going to use the another user. Okay, m.user2. Okay, okay, so I'm in right now in like this is a user 2, right? Let's see, user 2. This one also, like I say here, same, right? See, this is the locations. You can see here too, same thing, right? Desktop is goes there, and we did this one also, and I'm going to in a location here, same place, right? Let me try here. Okay, I will make a one is here. Okay, somebody saved one data here, I mean the one file, user 2 data, just like this. Okay, I just put this one, just write down anything here, save, right? And I want to check this data is inside the our documents or not. Double click pdc dash and marketing, right? Marketing data is here. See here, this user also made here already, right? User 2, double click, and just here nothing, right? Because we didn't have anything here. But here, see, user 2, right? Now you can see, user 2, this is a marketing user 2 has like his data here and his documents here, right? So he can make another one is, suppose here is a folder, right? Okay, just new folder. I will check here, this user documents here, see, folder, right? So that means what happened here, see, so this user and this user, right? Both user can like use the like that their computer, one computer, and they can save whatever they save here in a desktop and like in documents folder, that save in here in server. And he can use any computer, I mean like a user 1 can use user 2, user 3, user 4, whatever, because we have a 5 user here, right? So check it out, here is I have 5 users. These users can use any computer, but they can save their data in our server here, everything, and they can fetch the data from any computers, doesn't matter, right? So you can save here anything, so that is one duplicate here, one copy is here, right? So if you delete here, that delete here. So in this way, so we can secure our data and backup also. So I am done this one, so I want to like close right now. If you have any problem, or like you don't understand this uh, folder redirection, so you should comment me, or you can ask me. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.